here is a brief alert update for our MMTs. And the alert is the following, this is the Emini 100 Nasdaq futures. And the primary subject is identifying how the morning process in the futures have been weak in a trend channel, okay? And what we are looking for is a clean break of understanding how lows are put in. And as I go ahead live here now with MMTs, I just draw these trend lines to these points right there where they need to be. And you can clearly see, and I'll just do them freehand, but you can clearly see how that bottom is going to be put in. Now, we'll go a step further from this high over here as well, because this was a lower high that was coming down, and I'm going to put this one right about there, MMT. So when you look at this bottom, this is what equities do in bull bottom support levels. They go up, they come down, they test, you buy more, they go up. And as long as in the platform, as long as that delta line of support holds, well, this is your verifier. And this is live right now. So on an intraday level, your breakout at support levels will look like this, MMTs. It will look just like this bottom, but this is what the right shoulder of the bottoms will look like, and how your turn and how you will ascend in value within your 3, 5, 17 scripts. This is what your support levels, how they're going to be made on individual equities. It'll be that way on Buffalo Wild Wings. It'll be that way on LinkedIn. And it'll be that way on Coinstar and things like that. So, identifying directional trends in the E-mini futures and the S&P 500 futures, here is another example. We just did this together on how the bottoms are going to make that turn. And in your application that you have, it will be ascending in value, which will also be your verification model. How you get the breakouts are greater in a shorter period of time, and then this is live, and what a reversal would look like here right now within the actual trend channel of that movement between the buyer and the seller. Right now, pre-market, we're going to open it up, and I was just given an update so that MMTs have the directional price movement at where you're going to get these intraday on Friday options expiration. Not only that, you're going to get terms like this live at tops. Yes, you're going to be challenged with little trend lines. Yes, where do you spot the top and the turn? It's right here. It's starting right now. And how do you know that? Because that was teeny expansion, but now it's contracting in value. It's descending. It's not ascending above here. No, it's descending in value. That's what your intraday breakout trends and consolidations will look like within the 3-minute time structure within all of your equities. Let's get ready to rumble. And that's the futures update. And here we are making a market on LinkedIn. We're going to be making a market on Panera Bread. Panera Bread drops down toward that. It's an accumulative one. And if it gets close to that 10-week moving average, I better know it. And people better watch that one there, because that one's worth buying as a hedge against this Buffalo Wild Wings. And it's another way of understanding that it's gapping down, I don't know, a little bit. It's not a $2 gap, but we did our mathematical equations on this. And I showed how the stock had gone from 70.19 to 85.24, if my memory even serves me correctly, last night, and that was a $15.05 price movement. And we look for those exhaustion highs in the shorter price cycle so that your entries and exits and positive debits are transacted accordingly between those price channels within the execution system